Your profile is probably the most important thing on LinkedIn. It's what other people will see when they find you on the site. You can think of your profile like a resume, a place to add your skills, education, work experience, and so on. To edit your profile, navigate to your profile page and click the pencil icon in the section of your choice. We recommend you edit the intro section at the top of your profile first. It contains your current job title, location, personal summary, and more, so you'll want it to make a strong impression. Once you're done, click Save. Next, you can edit your work experience and your education and certifications. To add a new entry to either of these sections, just click the plus icon. There are also more sections like skills and interests. You can also add additional sections if you like, such as volunteer experience or accomplishments. Just click on Add Profile Section and select the section you want from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that if you're planning to apply to jobs, make sure that your profile is up to date and consistent with your resume. That way, an employer can easily match the info from your resume to your LinkedIn profile. And that pretty much covers the basics of creating your profile.